Have you ever wondered if there is one dish that could be the most delicious dish in the world? It is a huge question, a thought that can send you on a lifelong journey through kitchens and markets. I ask this today because I tried something that made me stop and think. It is called Jamaican Chipotle. This dish is not from a single ancient tradition. Instead, it is a creative blend, a modern mix of two powerful food cultures. It dares to combine the bright, sunny spices of Jamaica, the deep, smoky heat of chipotle peppers from Mexico. The result feels both new and strangely familiar, a flavor that wakes you up and makes you feel at home. This is not just about heat. It is about a conversation between ingredients: allspice, thyme, scallions, Scotch bonnet peppers. So, could this modern fusion dish really compete for the title of most delicious ever? To truly understand Jamaican Chipotle, you have to appreciate the two culinary traditions it comes from. First, Jamaica, a vibrant tapestry of African, Spanish, British, and Indian influences. Think jerk, complex, pungent, and alive with contrast. Allspice is the heart, like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves in one. Fresh scallions, thyme, and a bright splash of lime. Slow stews, pimento grilled meats, coconut-scented rice, food to share. Now Mexico. A chipotle is a smoke-dried jalapeno. Smoking transforms grassy bite into leathery, smoky complexity. It brings a smoldering warmth, a deep, resonant bass note. The bright high notes meet the chipotle's smoky base. Fiery, fruity heat dances with smoldering warmth. Smoke boosts all spices' woody, clove-like notes. Lime and scallions keep the smoke from feeling heavy. A beautiful partnership, more than the sum of its parts. We'll look at it, smell it, and taste it. Let's dig in. Before you bite, the color grabs you. Deep, luscious mahogany. It coats meat or vegetables in a sticky shine. You see the story in the flecks, smoke and freshness. Crispy char outside, juicy within, texture contrast. Simple plating, rice, plantains, a pop of cilantro, and scallions. That final bright squeeze sets the stage, then aroma, clean, woodsy chipotle smoke. Warm allspice threads through, exotic and comforting. Savory backbone, garlic and onion cooked down. A touch of sweetness and a zesty top note of lime. The moment of truth, the first bite. First you feel smoke, bold, resonant, warming. Then allspice takes the lead. Clove, cinnamon, nutmeg in harmony. A herbal whisper of thyme lifts everything. Heat builds, gentle chipotle glow, then fruity Scotch bonnet spark. Sweetness balances, acidity cleans. Reset, crave another bite. I'll never forget my first Jamaican Chipotle. Sizzle, knives, happy chatter, then one aroma cut through. Wood smoke, sweet spice, char. Stop me in my tracks. An unassuming stall, a practiced hand, bubbling sauce. The sign said everything I needed to know. Coconut rice, bright slaw, and that first bite was a revelation. Smoke, allspice, thyme, chipotle, bonnet, balanced fireworks, more than a meal, an experience I kept chasing. Big personality, wide appeal. For the curious, people who love new combos. A dream for spice fans, layered heat, not a one-note burn. Heat is adjustable, make smoke, herbs, and sweetness shine. Barbecue lovers, Chipotle's authentic smoke feels like home. Jerk's bright herbs elevate slow-cooked comfort. From foodies hunting the next big thing to a Tuesday night shake-up, everyone's welcome. It's about balance. Smoke, heat, sweet, and acid supporting one another. Is Jamaican Chipotle the most delicious dish in the world? No single dish can own that title for everyone. Taste is personal. Memories, culture, emotions. Every cuisine has masterpieces. Choosing one ignores the rest. But Jamaican Chipotle makes a world-class case. It marries deep smoke with bright, sunny spice. Brilliantly. It plays with chicken, pork, beef, or goes plant-based beautifully. Rice bowls, tacos, salads, versatile and fun. Balanced, complex, satisfying, memorable. My words guide you to the door. You gotta walk through. Seek it at a truck or cook it at home. Play with the balance until it makes you happiest. Let all spice and chipotle fill your home, then share it. A taste that lingers. Smoke and spice long after the plate's clean. For you, today, Jamaican Chipotle might be the most delicious dish in the world. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.